Let's convert a website into a mobile app using WebToApp.app. First, tell us what is the link to the website you want to convert. In this example, we are using our website. Press the button, Convert Web to App, and we will import automatically some information from your website to help you customize your mobile app. Change the app name, logo, colors, or add the bottom navbar links. Here we are adding a link on the bottom navbar to go to the home screen and another link to open the App Studio. After that, you can try clicking on each navbar button or removing any link if there's something wrong with it. Press the Preview button, test the app, and then you can create the project by pressing the button Create Project at the bottom. After your project is created, you can immediately choose the subscription plan that better fits your needs. You have a plan to create only an Android app, an iOS app, or the most popular plan that lets you build an app for both platforms. If you are not sure which one you want to subscribe to, you can skip this step for now. Now you are in your project dashboard. Here you can keep customizing your app style, but more importantly, you can configure your app build. Open the Android Build tab to configure your app build for the Android app. You only need to do this once. Subscribe to the plan if you haven't yet, and will appear a button that will let you request the build of your mobile app converted. Now you should do the same for the iOS build. You just need to configure the app ID and follow the steps in the guide. If you have any doubts about how to configure your application build, do not hesitate to contact our support team. And that's it. You are ready to publish your app. We will receive your request, and in less than 24 hours, we will send you the link to download your app to publish in the App Store. In the case of an iOS app, it will be distributed directly to your Apple developer account. Again, contact our support team at any moment, and we will help you build your beautiful app.